Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create your own sticker for your Instagram stories. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open your Instagram application and make sure that you're already update your Instagram application into the newest versions. Now we just need to sign in and log in with your account, and after you open the Instagram, you just need to slide your Instagram account into the right side to access the Instagram camera, and here is the camera of Instagram. So for the next thing we need to do is just go open our gallery here and add the picture that we want to post. And to create the Instagram stickers, you just need to go click this part. And now you just need to go click this cutout features over here, and you just need to pick which photos that you want to add for your stickers. So let's say here I will let to have this. So you just need to let the Instagram do the work for you. And after you're done, you can just if the result is not fulfilling your expectation, you can just go select manually. Now you just need to tap the subject that you want to pick, and after you're done, you just need to go click use sticker. And here you go, you already got the stickers. You just need to like adjusting it into the positions that you want. And after you're done, you just need to go click add into your story. So that's the way how to create stickers for your Instagram story. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.